the infrastructure has a huge impact on what we're doing now. It's constantly evolving, constantly changing. Look at what NVIDIA keeps announcing, which is a great partnership for us because we're able to stay at the cutting edge with them. But from just how infrastructure and data is becoming more important now, and how we're trying to bring relevance to this and stay grounded in reality at the same time. So where now everything is starting to come together, and like we have to be practical around how we approach this, especially from a data front, which is a key part of who Vantara is and what we drive with Hitachi IQ.
How is Hitachi creating value in real world industrial environments with AI?
From a Hitachi standpoint, the industrial AI gives us an opportunity to really create a differentiation in the marketplace. So if you look at the stack from, say, LLM to an agent to physical AI, so we are growing up in maturity from a technology standpoint. And as we think about industrial AI, the ability to bring these together and then build solutions, I think that is what is fundamentally different. And I think that's where we are seeing AI is, right? So there's all this potential of AI. Now you have to realize it in the real world.
Industrial AI is getting real. But one of the ways we are thinking is it's going to be a lot more agentic. And companies, enterprises that we work with, our customers, they have to start thinking about, hey, it's not a chat interface anymore. It's more transparent in the sense, how do my applications really talk to agents? So in production, so far we've all been used to having systems that are very rule-based. We knew the logic, we either insourced, outsourced, had people to go build it. It was built, it's running. But the future is, how does a rule-based ecosystem work with a reason-based ecosystem, which is agentic, without human intervention? So how do you prepare your enterprise architecture to be that intelligent? Is how I see in industrial AI, and this segues into physical AI, which is, hey, I don't have to give a command, but a system gives a command to a robot that goes and does something that then comes back into the system as an interface. So that's why we're thinking about industrial AI from a DS perspective, and I think that's going to be the future.
I was on a client call last week, and the clients had brought us an interesting problem. It was a legacy application that they had tried to modernize, and the project had already failed. And they had tried to use AI by effectively throwing junior engineers and commodity tools that are available. And they asked us to take a look at it. And it wasn't just our tooling, though our tooling was fabulous. We were able to go from mock-ups and prototypes to working code. But it was actually also our engineering approach, knowing how to build product and platform correctly and knowing the domain and bringing those together. And this is why I think that those end-to-end capabilities are what's going to win the day here. It's not just having access to AI, though that's important. It's also having right people, right mindset, and right tools to differentiate ourselves.
You've got the infrastructure, you've got the capability to build models in different forms, shape for us to go and compete. We've got the engineering talent, and now if we can put all of this together, we can run it at production scale in industries, in mission critical systems, and that's probably, in my mind, one Hitachi at its best.